जसे एखाद्या
Okay,
कपड्याला बांधकामात सरळपणा
let's go.
आणण्यास जे लोलक मार्गदर्शन
Perfect.
करतो तसे किंवा फुलाच्या हारामधील धागा हा त्या हारातील फुलांना विखुरण्यापासून वाचवतो त्याप्रमाणे बुद्धांच्या शिकवणीचा अर्थ
Once it climbs, it doesn't
व
want.
त्याचा आशय
It likes a stable place
स्पष्टपणे
like me.
समजण्यासाठी
It doesn't like to just
त्याचे
shift,
योग्य
go on
आकलन
shifting
होण्यासाठी व
the
गैर
nest or
अर्थाच्या
place from this place to that
सूत्रपिटकाच्या
place.
माध्यमामुळे
Now it's sitting on my finger, it doesn't want to leave it. It was sitting at the edge of the bucket, it didn't want to leave it. It's like that only. It likes a stable place.
ग्रंथसंग्रहात
Hey!
हे सर्व ग्रंथ
Leave my finger so your parents can come. They cannot come. If I'm here with you, they don't come.
मध्यम निकाय संयुक्त निकाय अंगुत्तर निकाय
Hey! Leave.
बुद्धांची शिकवण
What you doing?
परीक्षण
What you doing?
सूत्रपिटकामध्ये
What you doing, baby?
बुद्ध धर्माची केवळ
Hey, baby.
तत्त्वे दिलेली
You are so
नाही,
cute, baby.
तर त्यामध्ये व्यवहाराचे
Hey, baby.
दृष्टीने मार्गदर्शक ठरणारी धम्माची
Leave my finger.
जीवनात
Would you leave my finger, baby?
अर्थपूर्ण तत्त्वे आहेत.
See, your parents have come. They don't come.
तत्त्वोपदेशी
If they see you with me, they don't come here.
आचरण केल्याने
Stay here.
मानवाचे
Okay. Very
टप्प्याटप्प्याने
good. Stay here.
तीन समाधी
Okay.
व प्रज्ञा
Enjoy your
या
parent
तीन
time.
स्तरावर